Hi, this is Vanshika Chauhan and I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. And today I'll be talking about the Madras High Court judgment of LGBTQIA plus community. So, ignorance is no justification for discrimination of any form. This was said by Justice Anand Venkatesh of Madras High Court while issuing the guidelines for the protection of LGBTQIA plus community. The judgment put the responsibility on the society to get rid of the prejudices against the LGBTQ plus community by asking the union and the state government to take up actions which were required to reduce the prejudice, also recommending a list of sensitization programs to create awareness. So the LGBTQIA plus community stands for lesbians, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex, asexual and such others. Now coming to the difficulties faced by the LGBTQIA plus community in India. Firstly, there is no legal recognition for their marriage. The same-sex marriage is still not legally allowed in India. Secondly, inadequate service of health system. Criminalization of homosexuality leads to discrimination and results in LGBTQIA plus people getting poor or inadequate services in the health department. Third one being that they are deprived in rights. The rights that are enjoyed by normal couples are not enjoyed by the gay couples or the same-sex couples. Fourthly, racial discrimination. These races suffer from social as well as economic inequalities due to discrimination. Now coming to the fact that why LGBTQ rights are important. Firstly and most importantly, everyone should be able to feel proud of who they are and who they love. Also, bringing an end to homophobia and transphobia will save lives. By embracing the LGBTQ people and understanding their identities, we can learn how to remove many of the limitations in the society imposed by gender stereotypes. Further, the LGBTQ plus community, especially transgender and gender non-conforming people, are often at risk of economic and social exclusion. So this community celebrates Pride Month every year. Every year in June, the world celebrates Pride Month in honor of community members who have been through various obstacles in life and have come a long way. Now it also showcases how far gay rights have reached and what else is yet to achieve. The Global Pride Day and every year is celebrated on June 28th. Colorful parades, marches, concerts are held across the world to celebrate this day. Also, since the country is still fighting COVID-19 pandemic, this year it might happen online or virtually. The LGBTQ community and other allies have been fighting to get equal rights to start families, to adopt children, to get married, fight discrimination, hate speech, and the right to simply exist as they are. Now the history of Pride Month or the LGBTQ Day starts from 1969 Stonewall riots, which worked as a catalyst for the Pride Month. Earlier, the American Constitution had banned the homosexuality, and the police would often raid the queer bars and harass their community. On June 26, 1969, tired of daily atrocities, the entire queer community fought back and gave a befitting reply to the people who were in power. The protest went on for several days and support poured in from every corner of the world. This fight became a revolutionary change in the world. In the very first year, the first official Pride parade was carried out to mark the anniversary of Stonewall riots, and since then it became a tradition. Many credit the Stonewall riots for the rights the LGBTQ plus community possessed today. Coming to the Madras High Court judgment, a Madurai-based lesbian couple decided to live as a married couple. Facing resistance from their families, they fled to Chennai and took refuge with an NGO. As the police continued to visit them following complaints from their families, the two had moved the High Court to restrain cops from harassing them. Justice Anand Venkatesh ordered that the ministry upload the details of the NGO with addresses, contact details, and services provided by them on its website within 8 weeks, and also revise the information periodically. Further, any person who faces issue because he or she belongs to the LGBTQIA plus community would approach any of these listed NGOs for safeguarding their rights. Also, the court ordered that the NGOs, in consultation with the ministry, should maintain confidential records of such persons who approached them, and also the aggregate date should be submitted to them biannually. Now, further making it clear that the victim should be provided with need-based relief The court said that the NGOs should coordinate with the police with respect to the offences committed against them. Also, further, whenever the police received a man or a woman missing, complaints from their parents or relatives of people belonging to the LGBTQIA plus community, such complaints should be closed after obtaining statements from the couple concerned that they were residing together out of their own will and they do not wish to go back to their families.